Hello everyone, I am Kadmani Kannan. I am pursuing first MSc Microbiology in Vivekananda Arts and Science College Saruman, Sanigiri, Salem. I am going to present a topic of wastewater treatment of BOD, COD and dissolved gases under the guidance of Dr. R. Dinesh Kumar Sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Microbiology in VIA, Salem. Okay, now we can see about what is water treatment, what are the content involved in water treatment. First, introduction, water treatment, oxygen demand, biochemical oxygen demand, BOD, chemical oxygen demand, COD, dissolved gases, removal of BOD, COD and dissolved gases. Introduction, what is water treatment? Water treatment is a process of different type of operation like physical, chemical, physiochemical and biological aim to eliminate and reduce contamination or non-disturbable character of water. Water treatment is the process of quality of water to make it suitable for purpose for drinking, industrial use, irrigation or environmental protection. The goal is remove contaminants, harmful microorganisms and other impurities to ensure the water is safe and clean. What are the steps involved in water treatment process? Intake and screening, coagulation and flocculation, sedimentation, filtration, disinfection and pH assessment and post-treatment. Oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand means the amount of oxygen needed by microorganisms for break down the organic material in water. It is a key indicator for pollution and is essential for maintaining healthy wastewater system. It is measurement of reduced organic and inorganic matter in water released to oxygen consumption in river or lake, result of a pollution discharge. Measurement in several ways like BOD, biological oxygen demand, COD, chemical oxygen demand. Last one is dissolved oxygen. First we can see about BOD, biochemical oxygen demand. It is also called as biological oxygen demand, is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by aerobic biological organism to break down organic material present in a given water sample at certain temperature over a specific time period. The BOD value is most commonly expressed in milligram of oxygen consumed per liter of sample during 5 days of incubation at 20 degrees Celsius and is often used as surrogate for the degree of organic pollution of water. Biochemical oxygen demand is a measurement of quantity of oxygen used by microorganism, example aerobic bacteria, in the oxidation of the organic matter. Most of the bacteria is aquatic water condiment or aerobic. That means that they use of oxygen to perform the metabolic activity of decomposition. BOD can be used as coagulants of the effectiveness of wastewater treatment in plants. Importance of BOD. It indicates the amount of organic pollution present in an aquatic aqueous system. It determines the amount of organic matter present in soil, sewage, sediment, garbage, sludge, etc. The biochemical oxygen demands also determine the rate of respiration in living beings. What are the factors affecting BOD? First one is temperature. For high temperature increase microbial activity. Then presence of organic matter. More organic matter leads to higher BOD. Then microbial population, healthy microbial communities increase BOD. Last one is type of wastewater like industrial with domestic wastewater. COD test procedure. Preheat the COD reactor to 150 degrees Celsius. Add a known volume of the water sample, example 2.5 ml into a culture tube or COD vial. Add 1.5 ml of potassium dichromate. The formula is K2Cr2O7 and digestion solution and 3.5 ml of sulfuric acid reagent to the tube. Cap the tube tightly and invert them several times to mix. Avoid splashback to acidic acid. Place the tubes in the preheated reactor and digest at 150 degrees Celsius for 2 hours. Allow the tubes to cool to room temperature in a rack and then measurement. Transfer the cooled mixture to a flask. Add ferroion indicator. Titrate with ferrous ammonium until the color change from blue-green to wine red. Application of BOD. Environmental monitoring for water quality assessment to measure organic pollution in water bodies. Then wastewater treatment for evaluate treatment plant efficiency. Then industrial application for food processing and pulp and paper mills to assess effluent quality. Second one is COD, chemical oxygen demand, defined as a oxygen effluent of the organic portion of the sample that is susceptible to oxidation by a strong chemical oxidant. COD does not distinguish between refractory and inert organic matter. COD test require approximately 3 hours. 5-day biochemical oxygen demand measure total oxidized pollutant faster than BOD. Signification of COD, indicator of water pollution, help assess to impact of effluents on the environment. Then importance of COD, monitor wastewater treatment efficiency, measure the potential pollution load, then ensure compliance. COD procedure, first heat under reflex condition, titrate remaining dichromate, calculate oxygen consumed, expression COD expressed, measure total organic pollution. What are the methods involved in COD treatment? Chemical coagulation reduce COD by removing colloidal matter, then advanced oxidation process break or complex organisms, activated carbon absorption removes residual COD, biological treatment less effective for non-biodegradable COD. Applications of COD. First one is environmental monitoring for water quality assessment and wastewater treatment to evaluate treatment plant efficiency. Second one is industrial application for pulp and paper mills to assess effluent quality. Then food processing for monitor wastewater treatment. Then chemical manufacturing for evaluates for non-specific measure all oxidized substance, not just organic matter. Limitation of COD. First one is interferon to chlorides under the substance can affect accuracy. Toxicity, uses hazardous chemical, example potassium dichromate, does not indicate biodegradability. Unlike BOD, COD does not distinguish between biodegradable and non-biodegradable pollutants, a wastewater quality. Then advantage of COD, faster result compared to BOD, measured non-biodegradable pollutants, provide a dissolved oxygen. Dissolved in gases. Definition, dissolved oxygen is the amount of free oxygen dissolved in water essential for aquatic life and biological process. This is atmospheric diffusion, photosynthesis by aquatic plants, turbulence and aeration, electrochemical DO matter. Significance of DO, initiate the health of water body, required for survival for fish and aerobic organisms. Factor affecting DO, temperature, organic pollution, turbulence, photosynthetic activity, permissible level, drinking water, aquatic life more than 5 mg by liter, pollutant water 3 mg by liter. Then relationship between BOD, COD and DO. Parameter meaning high BOD, high biodegradable organic matter, high COD, high total organic matter, low DO, severe organic pollution. COD, BOD, presence of non-biodegradable organisms. Importance of water treatment, helps in pollution control for environmental pollution, guide treatment process selection for wastewater treatment, protect aquatic ecosystem, then ensure compliance with environmental standards. And conclusion, BOD, COD and dissolved oxygen are essential for water quality parameter used in wastewater treatment and environmental monitoring. Together they provide a complex picture of organic. Including a presentation on wastewater treatment, the conclusion should summarize how the selected methods like chemical, biological or combined efficiently remove organic pollutants. Thank you.